Ego Power Plus 3200 PSI electric pressure washer. The cordless revolution is real. Ever pull a starter cord 30 times on a cold Saturday morning while your shoulder burns and your neighbors close their windows from the noise? Your gas pressure washer sits in the garage like a hostile relationship. You need it, but you dread every interaction. The fumes, the maintenance, the inevitable carburetor failure right before the one weekend you planned to clean the driveway? There's a reason you've been putting off that house washing project. Want to know what finally made pressure washing something people don't hate? Keep watching. That ongoing tension with your gas pressure washer drains more than just your weekend. You're spending $200 annually on gas, oil changes, spark plugs, and carburetor cleanings that somehow never permanently fix the starting problems. The deafening roar forces you to wear hearing protection while breathing exhaust fumes for an hour. Your garage smells like gasoline, your clothes smell like gasoline, your hands smell like gasoline after every refueling. And here's the thing. The actual pressure washing isn't the problem, it's everything around it. The 15-minute startup ritual, the constant worry about whether today's the day it refuses to start, the mounting pressure of knowing your driveway looks terrible, but the thought of dragging out that machine makes you postpone it another week. Let me explain what nobody tells you about traditional pressure washers. The wasted time isn't during cleaning, it's before you even start, and after you finish dealing with maintenance nightmares. But cordless power without the compromise exists closer than you think. Then everything changed when I discovered the Ego Power Plus electric pressure washer HPW3204-2. Don't just pick any pressure washer. Make sure it has true 3,200 pounds per square inch cordless battery power with dual brushless motors so you never experience pull cord starting failures, exhaust fumes, and constant engine maintenance again. Here's what actually works. You press a button and it delivers gas-level 3,200 pounds per square inch cleaning power instantly, every single time, in any weather, without priming or pulling. The two included 56-volt 6.0 amp-hour batteries provide up to 60 minutes of runtime with the intelligent auto start-stop system, conserving power during natural pauses. No extension cord limiting your range, no outlet dependency trapping you near the house. The silence alone transforms everything. You can pressure wash at 7 a.m. on Sunday without disturbing a single neighbor. The whisper-quiet operation means holding normal conversations while actively cleaning. Zero exhaust fumes means breathing clean air instead of carbon monoxide. The belt-free brushless motors deliver consistent 3,200 pounds per square inch pressure from first trigger pull to last. The telescoping handle collapses for compact storage. The quick connection points make setup take 30 seconds instead of 10 minutes. 5 included nozzles handle everything from delicate vehicle washing to aggressive concrete cleaning. Which matters most, silent operation, zero maintenance, or instant reliable starting? After 6 months of weekly use, the transformation feels permanent. Saturday mornings start without mechanical anxiety or startup rituals. Industry analysts called this a watershed moment that shatters the perceived performance ceiling for battery-powered tools entirely. A home improvement influencer mentioned the power is legit. It blasts through driveway grime with ease while staying quiet enough to use early weekends without bothering neighbors. Real testing data shows the 3,200 pounds per square inch matches gas pressure washers in heavy-duty residential cleaning across concrete, siding, and wood surfaces. Professional contractors specifically praised the cordless operation for noise-sensitive jobs where gas is prohibited. One verified homeowner shared how the 2 batteries cleaned my entire house, exterior and long driveway on a single charge, with the same results as my old gas washer, with none of the headaches. The 5-year tool warranty and 3-year battery warranty back every claim with verifiable protection. Join the thousands of homeowners who quietly switched to cordless power and stopped accepting noise, fumes, and constant maintenance as normal. The Ego Power Plus Electric Pressure Washer HPW3204-2 delivers true 3,200 pounds per square inch cleaning power with zero gas, zero cords, and zero pull cord frustration that fundamentally changes how weekend cleaning feels. Results may vary based on surface type and battery usage patterns. Ready to experience what effortless pressure washing actually feels like? I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it. Just click and see for yourself. Your weekends deserve this freedom from gas-powered hassles.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.